Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. So we type a question to Copilot, for example, create an image here, then you hit enter and nothing happens. The cursor just spins and spins again as you see here, or the page sits there blank, refusing to load any content at all. So when Copilot loads but won't show you prompts, the issue is usually a combination of account type restrictions, browser connectivity, or authentication state. Sometimes the problem is as simple as missing login token or regional restriction. So in today's small tutorial, we're gonna go and talk about how to fix Copilot not loading prompts, fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. First thing first, we want to check account and platform requirements. Copilot in Edge has a specific prerequisites. So first, verify your account type and region. This sidebar requires a desktop edition of Windows, Home, Pro, or Enterprise, and does not support Xbox or PWA Windows. If your account age is classified as child, you won't be able to use Copilot at all. If the sidebar shows a blank panel, an error message, or a refresh button, the service endpoint is likely inaccessible. So you have to verify internet connectivity. If your device is offline, the panel will display a no internet start screen and recover automatically once connectivity is restored. Check if the service endpoint is reachable. Consumer accounts use edgeservices.bing.com. So open a browser tab and navigate to this link. If the page doesn't load, a network issue or firewall rule is blocking access. If the endpoint is accessible, but Copilot still won't load after multiple tries, there may be an active service outage. So handle infinite loading or repeated prompts. For example, if Copilot loads indefinitely or repeats the same prompt over and over, you can try by basically logging out, changing your internet connection, and all of this. So that's the idea. Thank you all for watching. See you all in the next video.